Hello everybody, and today we're going to be making a Lady Gaga peacock feather headdress that she wore. You will need black thick ribbon, a pair of scissors, and a buttload of peacock feathers, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started! First, take your black ribbon and measure it with your head. You're gonna take a lot of it and just wrap it around your head, and make sure you leave a lot so you can tie it into a bow. So pinch where it ends on your head here, and then there we go. And leave enough so you can tie it. Once you have the measurements around your head for the ribbon, you're going to mark it with a white pencil on each side. Lay out your feathers and glue the tips to the end of the ribbon. Repeat this step a billion times. Voila! Whoa. Yeah, they are touching the ceiling. I am on the ground. So yeah, this is my headpiece. Tell me what you guys think. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.